Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan Fouché. Thanks so much for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you a quick tip about how to increase your sales on Fiverr, and that is by utilizing the space to put a PDF in your gig. Here we go. So here I am in my Fiverr profile. This is my top selling gig, my Susan Fouché Pro Female Voiceover. It is the I will record an American female voiceover. So this is my top selling one. And in my Fiverr gig, I have the ability to not only have like my video and my samples, here are my audio samples, but I also have two spaces to put in two separate PDFs. Everybody has this ability. Everybody has this in their gigs, and hardly anybody uses it. And whenever I'm, looking at somebody else's gig because they want help with their sales, a lot of times I just don't see this here. If you've got the space to utilize it, then utilize it. So just let me show you what I put in my PDFs. And again, you have two spaces to have these PDFs. Here's my first PDF. It's just basically my CV. Well, kind of, sort of. It's like, I call it what you can expect when you hire me. And so this is pretty much what I send out to all my clients, but I don't have the exclusively on Fiverr when I send out to my clients, like through an email. So I just kind of changed this around. I put my Fiverr profile name at the top, but this is like pretty much what I have like standard that I send out to everybody. Here's what you can expect when you hire me. Here's my guarantee. And then it's just kind of like reassuring information that I send out to my clients. I really don't know that a whole lot of people on Fiverr look at this, but I think that when you have all of the boxes checked, like you have all the spaces in here, it just makes you look way more professional than somebody who doesn't have it. And like I said, I've got two spaces for it. Everybody has two spaces for two PDFs, or one space for two PDFs. Here's my other PDF that I have. And this is kind of like my, list of clients, my resume, my CV. I don't really know what you call this, but anyway, here it is. I've just got my list of like bigger clients, like bigger names, Royal Caribbean, IKEA, whatever. My narration services, this is like what I would send out to a regular client. I went ahead and put my Fiverr profile down here at the bottom in green just to make it look more Fiverr-y. But this is something that a client definitely could download, print out, keep in their files, whatever. If you are having trouble and maybe your sales are down on Fiverr, make sure that all of your boxes are checked. Fiverr gives you 3 different spaces to have samples. You could have 3 different demos. You could have a video and then, the same demo, and then 2 more demos if you wanted. Utilize all of that. And then you've also got 2 spaces for the PDFs. Fill those out. These PDFs, it didn't take me long to make. It's just like, hey, and if you want to use this, like what I have here as your sample, as your guide, you're more than welcome to do that. Please use that. But if you are having trouble with your sales, get yourself a CV, get yourself, whatever you want to call this, and fill out all these boxes. I promise you, it will help you tremendously. If for nothing else, you'll be able to have a list of your clients that you can send out not just on Fiverr, but through email. So utilize that. And best of luck to you on Fiverr. I love Fiverr. I do very well on Fiverr, and I know that you can too. So please make sure to like. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm a growing channel, so I would really appreciate your support, and leave a comment too. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. I'll see you later. Bye.